Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. So today we're going to cover a video we covered on the Streaming News channel. There's a lot more of you who follow this channel, of 5 hidden features on the Amazon Firestick. Okay, 5 features you wouldn't know was there. I guarantee, well I can't guarantee, but I'm 99% sure one of these features you will not know about. So let me know, well you would have known about it if you watched my other video. Let me know in the comments if you find one you do not know. Do try and watch till the end. If you're a regular watcher, hit that share button. Do drop me a comment, guys, of any other features you know about I may have missed as well. And I hope you enjoy this one. Before we get started, if you can and you're new here, do remember, come subscribe to the channel, guys. Check out the rest of the videos. We've got tons of stuff here for free streaming, for movies, TV show apps, app linked, file linked, whatever, files synced, whatever they're all called now. Alternatives, settings, tips, TV, codes, movies, VPNs, the lot. All on one channel for you. But today, we're going to bring you these features, and I hope you enjoy it. So, let's get straight on with it. We're going to come in with some great hidden features on the Firestick. Did you know? We use this quite a lot at home. We have a Firestick in our kitchen. Did you know you can set timers on your Firestick? No? Yeah, you did. Come on then, guys. So, to do this, hold down your Alexa button. Set timer for 10 seconds.
10
It will count down, then you will get a timer up on your stream. Then you'll get a timer up on your screen after the 10 seconds, guys. How long's 10 seconds? And there we go. Your 10-second timer has finished. You can set reminders as well, guys. So, remind me to put pizza in oven in 5 seconds.
Okay.
And you can set calendar dates as well for future distance.
By the way, you can now
These are good, guys, because it does beep out loud. It talks it.
To try it, just say something.
It's to put pizza in oven, guys. Okay.
Here's your reminder.
Very good.
Put
Very useful. A bonus, guys. This is one you may not have known of, but it's very useful, especially if you have it in. You could be watching in the front room. Sit down to watch your favourite film, but you're cooking dinner. Set that timer, guys. Happy days. Very easy. Very good. Okay. What else don't we know about? You may know about this because we've done it on the YouTube Shorts channel the other day, my 60-second Firestick tips channel. If you do not follow that channel, I will link it directly underneath now. So it's in the pinned comment and it's in the description. But to simply, if your Firestick is running slow, freezing up, you can restart it by pushing the play button and the select button, holding them both down, and hold them down and it will do a full restart without having to navigate to the menu section, guys. Firestick light is powering off. That will reboot for us. And that will boot straight back up. Beautiful. Next up, did you know you can add multiple Bluetooth devices? It doesn't have to be just your remote you've got from Amazon themselves. In the settings, go over to settings. Remotes and Bluetooth devices. In here, you can actually pair up. You have 2 options. So you can do your gaming controllers, your Amazon Fire TV remote, sorry, 3 options. So your standard remote, game controllers. So if you wanted to, any controller, Xbox controllers link up, PlayStation controllers should link up, all on there, and other Bluetooth devices. So if you're sitting there, you want to watch some TV, and you've got a set of Bluetooth headsets, you can select them on here as well, guys. Bluetooth headphones, keyboards, mouse, everything, all within your settings. Really easy, really simple. We will be doing a 60-second guide on this on the Shorts channel in a couple of days. Brilliant. Next, what do we got? Okay, this one's really useful. Again, we have covered it on the Shorts channel. These icons, guys. This is part of the reason we have this, but it's not just for this. If you are hard of sight, can't see very well, icons are actually quite small on the Firestick. You can get something called a text banner. So if you go to the settings, accessibility, text banner, and turn this one on. Okay, turn that on. What you get then, if you hold down the play button, get rid of the tutorial, sorry, hold down the play button, you will get a text banner which comes up big, bold, everything you are highlighting, okay? You can make it bigger if you want to, you can move its position, you can customize it. But it's very good for going over things to see what it is actually called. You might not be able to see it properly. Some icons just have a picture, not a name. Some are even greyed out. Really annoying, really pain but it's all here. If you scroll down a bit, say you're over movies. So as you go over a TV show or anything like that, it will actually give you a description of what the program is. It can tell you more about the information. It can tell you what episode it is. It gives you film descriptions, everything like that, all in there for you. Really easy to use, really simple. And you know what? Really popular, guys. It's a really good little touch that the Firestick added, which a lot of other devices do not have. And finally, what are we going to give you finally? I don't know if you know about, but there's such a thing as an Amazon Fire TV app. If you search in Play Store, Amazon Fire TV, you can open the app. It gives you the option to connect to your device as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi, guys, okay? On the same Wi-Fi. And then you can control it from the app, okay? You can also type on it. So this is really useful for when you need to type in a long URL, maybe, if you're trying to download something, if you're trying to search something and you don't want to be doing it with the remote over and over. This is a great little touch. Again, like I say, folks, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed those features and you enjoyed what you saw, do remember to hit that subscribe button. Before you go, just going to give you a quick word from our partners. IPVanish VPN. Are you after a VPN? This VPN is probably one of the best and most popular in the world these days. So it's $3.75 a month for you. This will allow you on unlimited devices. Okay? No logs, no traffic logs, no device logs, advanced encryption, easy online safety, powerful internet privacy, simplified data protection. You can install this on your Fire Stick, you can install it on your Android box, you can install it on your mobile phone, you can install it on anything, guys. All for you. That is linked directly underneath. Or, if not, you could get Ivacy VPN, another partner. Ivacy VPN is a lot cheaper. It's only 99 cents a month, but you have to buy it on a bigger deal. It's on a 5-year deal. But with our discount, it's a massive saving with encrypted 2 terabyte cloud storage free included. All for you. This one unblocks iPlayer, Disney Plus, Hulu, and 7 major Netflix regions, as stated by themselves. You get malware protection, unlimited bandwidth, but this one is linked to 10 devices only, guys, okay? 10 devices only. Both of those are affiliated links, so if you don't want to help support the channel, no problem, just search IPVanish or Ivacy, but you may not get the cheap deals we can offer you. And if you want to hear about some of this stuff early, before we release it on YouTube, well, you come follow me on my Twitter. My Twitter profile, we share lots of stuff on here, guys, from a lot of my videos, a lot of other YouTubers we share as well, all on here, guys, okay, lots of retweets. Or we've got a Facebook page. On the Facebook page, we actually release the videos so you can watch them on Facebook, plus we do a bit of big gaming, all on there for you. Everything like that is linked underneath. We've got 3 YouTube channels linked underneath. We've got a TikTok, we've got an Instagram, we've got a Facebook group, we've got a Facebook page. Come join the community and we welcome you. Brilliant. I'm out of here. I've been rambling again. I've been Doc Squiffy on the Doc Squiffy channel, and I'll see you soon.